Hey guys, this is the Crystal of Destiny. This is the first book in my four-book series. You're gonna travel along with the Prince Boba, Princess Jen, as they go through our solar system, the Milky Way, to find this legendary, mythical Crystal of Destiny. But when they do, they have a little run-in with some space pirates. So you're gonna have to journey with them as they try to flee and escape and get that crystal to their father, the King of Mars. Hey guys, this is my second book. It's called The Eye of the Universe in my four-book kids series, where Princess Jen, you're going to follow along her this time as she ventures to find this Eye of the Universe that the Crystal of Destiny told them that she had to find to stop the evil queen from coming to their solar system and destroying the entire galaxy. And along this way, she's going to meet a couple friends. She has shipped up here. We got the unicorn right here named Rainbows. And of course, the villain right above me, which you'll find her name out in the book. And don't forget, all these kids' books are going to be on Amazon under my Justin Vandermark author page. You can also just click into it and you can see both The Crystal of Destiny and Eye of Universe. And if you have Amazon Kindle, it's going to be for free. The Staff of Eternity, which is the third book of my kids series. And the first one you had both Prince and Princess. The second book is all about Princess Jen, and the third book is all about Prince Boba. And you're going to follow him as he journeys to Mercury to find the Staff of Eternity, which is another part that goes along with the crystal and with the Eye of the Universe to stop the evil queen and her evil magician from entering their galaxy and destroying it. And don't forget, guys, if you have Amazon Kindle, you'll get all my books for free. Right now, this book is currently being edited right now. And once it's released, I will let you guys know on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Hey, guys, this is the fourth and final installation of my kids' book series. It's called The Evil Queen and Her Dark Magician. Dark Wizard, I believe, is what I considered him in the book. And as you can see, it's going to be Prince Jen. She finally got all the stuff together, right? The Eye of the Universe, the Staff of Eternity, and the Crystal of Destiny. But there may be a sacrifice that happens above with Prince Boba as they defend their galaxy from the evil queen and her dark magician. And don't forget, if you guys do have Amazon Kindle, you get my whole kids book for free. And I am currently working and writing this book here while the third book is being edited. And the first and second book are already ready on Amazon for your purchase.